see you over there. I see you staring, boy. What are you thinking? I need to know. Oh, why don't you come on over? Go ahead, slide a little closer. I sure love to know ya. What are you waiting for? 'Cause this band sounds pretty good, and I'm digging the color of your eyes, and I can't help wondering, maybe would you wanna do something tonight? We could lay out in the bed of that truck, staring right up at the stars in the sky. Throw on some old Springsteen, crank it on up, feel the heat as we dance into the beat in those headlights. Let's do something tonight. Oh, oh. Dreams, where you've been and what you think. I think you should come with me. Boy, I know it's getting late, but that's a chance I like to take. And by the way you're looking at me, we don't have to wait. 'Cause this band sounds pretty good, and I'm digging the color of your eyes, and I can't help wondering, maybe would you wanna do something tonight? We could lay